Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to online class. Today we will learn phonics class. What class, my dear children? Phonics class. Be ready with your rough note, rule pencil, eraser. I will give you 5 seconds time. You will get ready, okay? Yes. Start counting, my dear children. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, I hope you are all ready. First, we will see a phonics. How we have to read the letters to phonics, okay? Yes. Already you know about that, right? You also read along with me. A means A. Do you know about that phonics? Yes. Repeat it again. A. B, 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 C, K, K, D, 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 E, A, F, F. You also read along with me, my dear children? Yes. F, 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 G, 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 H, 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 I, E, J, 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 K, 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 L, L, M, in, O, P, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Did you read along with me, my dear children? Yes. Now we are going to read a 3-letter word phonics. Okay? Yes. How we have to read this word? Do you remember this? Yes. We have to use our left hand. This is a 3-letter word. Touch your shoulder for the beginning sound. Then middle sound. Touch your forearm. Then end sound where you have to touch. Yes, wrist. Wrist, right? Now shall we read this word? Yes. Wig. Wig. Next. How we have to read this? Beginning sound Z, middle sound E, end sound P. Z. Zib. Next, beginning sound F, middle sound E, end sound In. Shall we read this word? You also read along with me. Fin. E in, fin. Next, do you remember this? What is this word? Beginning sound D. Middle sound A. End sound G. D A G. dog, dog, dog. Next, beginning sound middle sound end sound p. Up, mob, mob, mob. You also read along with me, my dear children. Okay. Next, d, dot, dot. Next, beginning sound b, middle sound end sound d. Bud, 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 bud. So, my dear children, shall we read fastly from this? Are you ready? Yes. Wig, 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 wig. Zip, zip. In, fin. In, fin. Next, dog, dog. Mob. Dot. Bud. So, my dear children, are you clear from this phonics? This like you have to read this word means just you have to improve your English, right? Yes. And also your fluency will be improved. Okay? Yes. Let us see some sentences from this phonics. So, my dear children, do you remember this? Yes. If it is a whole word means we have to read this word as it is. But if it is a phonic word means how we have to read? We have to use the phonic sounds to read this word. Do you remember that? Yes. Let us see the first sentence. He is a whole word. It is also whole word. Hearing also whole word. Then see the next one. Yes, if it is a phonic word, right? CVC words, right? Wig, right? How we have to read this? Wig. He is wearing a wig. This line we have to read the sentences. Do you remember that, my dear children? Yes. He is wearing a wig. Next, close your. What is this? What is a whole word? Zip. Close your zip. Close your zip. Next, the whole word. Fish, also whole word. Has, a whole word. As a whole word. This is a phonic word. In, fin. So, shall we read this sentence, my dear children? You also read along with me. The fish has a fin. The fish has a fin. Right? Yes. Next, I see a funny dog. Dog. I see a funny dog. Right? Yes. Next, I see a mob. I see a mob. I see a mob. Next, my balloon has a dot. My balloon has a dot. Dot. My balloon has a dot. Next, she is my best bud. Bud. She is my best bud. So, my dear children, do you remember this? Yes. How we have to read the sentence from this phonics class? Yes. If it is a whole word means hey, we have to read this word as it is. But if it is a phonic word means we have to use the phonic sounds to read these words. Do you remember this, my dear children? Yes. From today's class, what we learned? Yes. Some CVC words used to phonic sounds. Once again, we have to revise that. I will show that. So, my dear children, you will take your notebook. You will write 10 times. Use the phonic sounds to write this words. Okay? Yes. Wig, wig, wag. Next, zip, zib. Next, in fin. Next, dog. Mob. Dod. Bud. Do you understand, my dear children? This like you have to write this 10 times. After that, you also write some own words, right? Take your book. Just you have to revise that. Recall. Just you have to utilize this opportunity, my dear children. Yes. From today's class, are you clear? Phonics section? Yes. Thank you. Bye. Happy learning, my dear children. Be safe.